Hello everybody, welcome to my English video lessons. I'm staggered by your love and appreciation for my last video. Thanks so very much. Many of you wanted me to continue making videos, so here I am with another episode of pronunciation tips and tricks. Let's dive into it. In everyday speech, when we're speaking fluently, if a word ends in a d and the next word starts with a y sound, then we join them together and it sounds like j. So d+you becomes d+you, could-you becomes could-you. Let's have a look at some example sentences that you can use in daily conversation. Could you tell me how to get to the library? Could-you, could-you. Could you tell me how to get to the library? Would you mind if I open the window? Would-you, would-you. Would you mind if I open the window? Why did your brother come to the party? Did-you, did-you. Why did your brother come to the party? How long can you hold your breath? Hold-you, hold you. How long can you hold your breath? You should try to expand your business globally. Expand-your, expand-your. You should try to expand your business globally. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the safety procedures. Guide-you, guide you. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the safety procedures. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Happy learning.